Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply some eyelashes, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put on some eyelashes, and we're going to be using these Kiss Ritzy Natural Black Eyelashes, and these are with 100% natural hair. So they're true volume, pumped up effect, and they're just like a nice natural looking eyelash. I can wear these on a daily basis. Sometimes I do, not always, but I can wear them to work, or I can wear them to whatever type of event that's not super glammed up. You can get these eyelashes I got them at ShopRite, but you can get them at Target, and they sell them at a bunch of different other places. We're also gonna be using this duo glue. So it looks like this. It comes in another container, but I've used this a couple times already, so I think I may have thrown the container out. And you do need a set of tweezers. So those are the items that I use to put on my eyelashes. I'm gonna be showing you before and after the eyelashes have been put on and show you what the difference is. And then maybe this year, you'll maybe venture out for yourself and try out your own eyelashes. All right, so this is me without eyelashes put on. So I just have my regular eyelashes. I have some mascara on. So normally I go ahead and I curl the lash first. And if you'll notice, I have my eyeliner on, so I got all the makeup set out already. The eyeliner, I think, also makes a difference, so I love to have that on first. And then I go ahead and do the curling of the eyelashes. Then I go ahead and apply mascara. So this is how my eyelashes look before I put on the falsies of eyelashes. Just with mascara. All right, so next I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a juggling action. So I have the eyelashes here. All right, so I'm gonna loosen up the glue, and then I'm just gonna set that down. Then I'm gonna take the left eye's eyelash with the tweezer. I'm going to take the tweezer, and right below the line of the lash, I'm going to put the tweezer to hold on to it. So I'm not gonna do it on the line of the edge, because on the edge is where I'm gonna be sticking the glue. So I do it kind of right above the line. So it's on the eyelash part, but not on the glue line. And I don't want to like squeeze it together too much. I wanna try to do it lightly, but tight enough so I can hold on to it. So then while I'm doing this, I grab the glue. All right, so it's a little bit of juggling action here. And then I'm gonna take on the line, I'm gonna gently put this glue on the line. I like this glue. I've used other ones, but I like this one because it has the wand, which makes it really easy for putting on. And this glue isn't too sticky where you can't get the eyelashes off afterwards, because I had some issues with another type of glue that I was using where I was trying to get the eyelashes off, and I was pretty much ripping out my own eyelashes with it. So now I've got the glue. I usually blow on it just a little bit because I want to get it a little bit tackier. And then I apply on the lash line. Now I try to do on the top edge of the eyeliner. I don't want it directly on my actual lashes. I don't want to glue the lashes themselves. I want to try to put the lash line on the top, like not above the eyeliner, but on the top part of it. So the top of this is touching, it's like going along the top of that line. So I usually start in the middle, and you can adjust it as you need to. So then I go to the left-hand side, and I'm grabbing the lash. I'm not grabbing my lash together with it. and I just place on the eyeliner, and then I do the middle last. And so it stuck a little bit by itself, but I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna re-stick it just where I want it. So don't be afraid to mess with it a little bit. It's definitely gonna feel uncomfortable at first. I remember my Nana, when I was a little kid, she told me about putting on eyelashes, and she said it feels like a piece of tape or something just kind of stuck to your eyelid. So it does feel a little uncomfortable in the beginning. With these ones, they're very lightweight and natural feeling, so these ones feel a lot better. And you don't normally, at least I don't have to trim these. If you do have, if your eye is not as wide, you can trim them. You can trim a teeny bit on each side if you like, or maybe just this side if you want to. But for me, these are like the perfect width. You can adjust it as you need to. If you feel like the glue is not sticking right, you can do that. So that's how the left eye turned out. And then I go ahead and do the right eye. So for the right eye, again, I'm just going to grab with the tweezers. I'm actually just gonna pick it up. All right, so I got the eyelash here. And then I'm going to grab it. So again, it's not on the lash line, and it's not too much on the lashes, but it's like right there. And I do reuse my lashes. So for these ones, if I decide to reuse them, I'll just put them back in the package. And then there are ways that you can clean them off. You can get the extra dry glue off of them, and then you can reuse them another time. And then when they just get a little bit too messed up, I just get a different pair. So I'm making sure I get it tacky. And then I'm gonna apply on the lash line. I'm gonna do the right hand side, and then I'm gonna do the inner area. So I did the middle, the outer edge, and then the inner edge. Next, I usually do some mascara on the natural lash to try to blend it in. And then it helps them, the lashes kind of stay together with one another, but not glue to the actual lashes. Perfect. Then I sometimes add just a little bit more eyeliner in case I mess up any areas. Just kind of on top. And voila. Now you will have seen the before and after. So me with eyelashes and me without eyelashes. And if they feel uncomfortable or if they're scratching in your eye or anything, just feel free to adjust them. You can take them back off. That's why we don't want them directly on the lashes themselves, glued to them, because we don't want to rip any eyelashes off, and we want it to feel comfortable when they come off. So this is how I apply them. I usually wear these ones for kind of like day wear. I have another pair of eyelashes that I wear when I want to have like a more glam type of look, but for a lot of my videos I do wear these lashes, but I go back and forth between this pair and a more expensive pair, but I love these ones. I'll close my eyes to show how that looks. So that's how it turned out. So maybe this year you might want to try out some lashes of your own. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And otherwise, we'll see you next time.